Hey guys, today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to clean my radiator using some vinegar. I've seen it online. Guys recommend this is an option for if you have a aluminium radiator, so we're gonna try that and see what happens. Alright, so what I did is I just used the bottom hose to connect to the top so that it keeps the vinegar inside of the radiator. I'm gonna pour the vinegar through the top hole and hopefully it fills. I'm using actually about, I think it is 4 liters of vinegar. Alright, so you can see we have the radiator filled to the top. If I squeeze the hose, you can see that it's actually full and bubbling. We've used about half of the vinegar, so I guess we can try this. Leave this for a while and try it 2 times if you need to. Okay, so we put on the cap. We're gonna let it, they say leave it for about 4 hours setting. So it's now about 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the night. So we'll open it in the morning and let it out and see what happens. See you guys then. Morning guys, we're back on the radiator now. It's the morning. The radiator has been soaking for the entire night, but before I try to clean it, I decided I'm going to try to actually clean the surface of the radiator. I was online and I saw that you can use baking soda and vinegar, so I basically have that in this little container I cut. I'm going to use this toothbrush. I'm going to try that and see how that works. Guys, I did do the vinegar and baking soda on the radiator. It actually came a bit cleaner. I think we will actually need to do, that was worse than that. That was all black from exhaust and stuff like that. I think we need to do like a Scotch Brite or some wool type stuff on it to actually get most of the debris off, but I decided if I'm gonna do that later today or maybe tomorrow, we'll see. Right now though, what we're gonna do is open, so let's see if we can see it. Sorry guys, we're gonna open the bung. I'm gonna block the sink so that we can actually see what's coming out of the radiator. and let's see what happens if it actually cleans out the radiator. Let's look down here first. Don't know if you guys can see it. This set of the vinegar still looks clear. So let's see what's happening at the bottom. Alright guys, don't know if you guys can see it. Try to get close. There's some small particles that did come out, but nothing really to cause a blockage from what I can see. Actually feeling into the relative radiator now. I'm getting some residue in there. Don't know if you guys can see it. Can't really see it, but there's some brown residue in there. What I'm gonna do is just push water through the top and see if it brings out anything else. I'm gonna release the bung as well on the bottom. Don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna release the actual bung here and see if that helps with anything coming out. Alright, I have out the bung. This rubber washer is nearly gone. I'm gonna see if I can change that. I'm gonna try to wipe off. There's some sort of residue on the bolt. Obviously it's a magnetic bolt, so it's picking up some stuff from the side of the radiator. Again, there's just small particles like what we were seeing at the bottom of the sink. So now I'm gonna push some water through the top of the radiator and let's see what comes out. Alright, so I'm using the top tank to feed water through the radiator. As you see, it's just basically just clear water coming out all the time. Maybe some more small particles, but nothing that I think would make me think that something is stopping the flow of the water through the radiator. Okay, I don't know if you guys can be able to see it. Before, all inside of this pipe here had this kind of brown residue that you're seeing on the little indentation. That's all gone. Again, I don't think that will actually cause a blockage, but it's gone. You can't see it through the actual drain plug, but what we'll do is put it back onto the car, see if that helps with this overheating issue.